Imagine a world where you can create anything you can imagine. A world where the boundaries of creativity are pushed beyond the limits of our current understanding. Need a new toy? Design it on a computer and print it out. The process is as simple as clicking a button and watching your imagination come to life. Missing a button on your jacket? No problem, just print a new one. It's quick, efficient, and incredibly convenient. This is the power of 3D printing, a technology that is revolutionizing the way we create and manufacture. It's like magic, but it's real. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. And with the help of artificial intelligence, or AI, 3D printing is becoming even more amazing. AI optimizes designs and enhances the printing process. Together, they're changing the way we design, build, and even think about the world around us. The synergy between human creativity and AI precision is groundbreaking. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's a tangible reality that's reshaping industries. It's happening right now, in labs and workshops all over the world. From small startups to large corporations, everyone is embracing this technology. Engineers are using 3D printing and AI to create everything from personalized medical implants to lightweight parts for airplanes. The applications are vast and varied, and this is just the beginning. The journey of innovation has only just started. As these technologies continue to evolve, the possibilities are truly limitless. We are on the brink of a new era of creation, so buckle up and get ready for a wild ride, because the future of engineering is here, and it's looking very, very exciting. The adventure has just begun. So, how does this magical 3D printing thing actually work? It's a fascinating process that combines technology and creativity in a way that's almost like magic. Imagine a tube of toothpaste, but instead of toothpaste, it's filled with melted plastic or even metal. This material is what the 3D printer uses to create objects. The 3D printer is like a very precise robot that squeezes out this material in thin layers, following a design from a computer. Each layer is meticulously placed to form the final object. Layer by layer, it builds up the object, just like stacking Lego bricks, until you have a complete three-dimensional object. This process can take hours or even days, depending on the complexity. The amazing thing about 3D printing is that it can create incredibly complex shapes and designs that would be impossible to make using traditional manufacturing methods. This opens up endless possibilities. This means engineers can let their imaginations run wild and design things that were previously unthinkable. They can experiment with new ideas and bring innovative concepts to life. And because 3D printing can create objects one at a time, it opens up a whole new world of customization and personalization. You can have items tailored specifically to your needs and preferences,